I got started late. I started the video late. I already got one trade in. So my 8 a.m. 8 a.m.'s right here. Eight a.m. Here's the signal right here. On this one, there wasn't much of a pullback, and I'm following another set of rules from the Discord. Just kind of they basically they align. Some of the strategies align, and just because I didn't really have an entry here, I went ahead and just defaulted to that other strategy. So basically just says, you know, the 755 candle close, whatever color that is, it's probably going to go in that direction. So that's what I was relying on here for this entry back here for, let's see, 246, 260, 262. 15 points basically for that first trade. Now the second trade here, I did see that it did close within the candle body. That over here, so you can see the box that I've drawn here. Let's see if I can change this a little bit. Hard to see. So this candle close right here. That's terrible. That candle close right there. It was within the candle body of the previous candle before it. Within the body of the previous candle before it, right here. And so that's why I took the second entry on this. And it's obviously got bullish sentiment. So on the 2 minute, so we have 1 minute chart here, we have a 2 minute chart over here to the right. I just kind of look for, basically the same thing. If there's any pullback, where is it pulling back to? Is it within the candle body of the candle before it, previous candle? Kind of like it's doing right now. Even though there's still 16 seconds, minute and 16. If it's, you know, within this candle body here, yes, you do get larger pullbacks sometimes, but also too, it's a good indication it's going to continue in that direction. So that's what I use it for. Okay, so obviously pulled back, still not closed below the profit wave yet. Here. So as long as we're staying above that, we don't hit our stop loss, we can stay long. Okay, so we got stuff on that one. Looks like it wants to change direction. So we'll just reset and see what happens here. If this is just a pullback on the higher time frame, or if this is truly a change in trend. as you can see here, you've got midnight open kind of right in the way. It's usually a retracement play to the midnight open, so it's just kind of consolidating on that line. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll just let it. I'll pause the video and see if we get another entry here. Okay, so it might be returning bullish. I don't want to go short because we're above the 100 on both time frames here. I'm also kind of monitoring this trend aggregator thing. I don't know what this is called. But if it switches green, then definitely going to be supporting another case for bullish. Also, I'm looking for the profit wave on the 1 minute to change back green. But mostly I'm looking at the 2 minute here to see if there's another candle close within the candle before it. Let's see. Okay, so we got a green profit wave on the 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and just return long here. I'll adjust things here as I go. Let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and market order in. There we go. Just because I am bullish, I don't really care about, let's stop. Let's see, what do I want here? How many? I have 4. It's 200. 238. Here's other chart. We can go to 290 maybe. That's pretty extreme. 290. I don't know. We'll just kind of play it by ear for targets. I'll put it at 285. It's like 30 points. I don't know if we'll get there, but we'll see. Okay, so it could be hitting some resistance. I'm just looking to the left on a higher time frame on another chart over here. So I'm just going to be cautious. What to do? It's really hitting some resistance, so I'm probably going to just go ahead and take profits now. Let's see how many points we at. Is it 20 points? I'm just going to take profits here. Okay, so that's discretion, I'm just looking left over here on a separate chart. You don't see it over here. And there is a high at 288. So somewhere up here. So obviously it could, continue to go and bust through that or top it and reverse. I don't really know. I'm just going to go ahead and recoup my loss that I had back here. So fully recuperate, recovered my loss, and then I had that earlier win. So basically 2 wins, 1 loss, and we're up, $100 or whatever on the morning. So not a huge ordeal or win, but we're advancing the account. I had a really good Asia session yesterday or last night. I didn't really record anything. So looking good. And now that I see the 5 minute over here, we had an alignment. Excuse me, the 2 minute over here, we had an alignment. So it's looking even more bullish. So we'll just take that information, go into the 9:30 open. Anyway, I think that'll be it for this video. Hopefully that's helps you to see a loss and a pullback and all that good stuff. And kind of how I use these other time frames to either get out or stay in or re-enter. So anyway, thanks again for watching, everyone. Hopefully you're doing well, and take care.